Today we are going to learn lathe construction and working principle. First, we will see the function of the tailstock. Tailstock is used to secure and support the free end of a workpiece while it is being machined. Tailstock can move towards the headstock for holding workpieces. We can move the dead center by rotating the hand wheel. To lock the dead center, we pull that level. Now the tailstock is fit to hold the workpiece. Carriage plays an important on lathe operation. Carriage is moved between tailstock and headstock. It also holds tools. It also has a feed wheel lock lever